Video 720, let's fucking go. Alright, so in ARTGIRL shader strings within shader number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, we've created this new bitch on fire section that is beneath the damage bits 0 and killer. So if we look up here, right, we're still kind of at the top of the file. Let's go look at this bitch on fire section. We got duck, not on fire. We got goose, definitely on fire. And we're going to take the V16 tile value and see if we're going to be on fire after the tile is destroyed. Nothingness can never be on fire. And then values 1 to 12, those are not flammable materials. So we're going to assign it to duck because the duck is not on fire. And then the last 3 materials are the flammable solid, liquid, and gas. So they're assigned to goose because goose is on fire. Undef our macros when we're done with them. And then we're going to enter the main function for the bombs for Josh shader, which is shader number 8. So inside of the value unit section right here, we've made a new variable. Value unit boff stands for bitches on fire. Let's go down. Okay, in the yin-yang geometry loop, within does geometry exist, if we have a tile, if we have a geometry tile, we're bit packing the binary payload for the geometry tile. And then down here a little bit, is geometry killed? If the geometry is killed by an explosion, it might be on fire. So right here, if the tile it has been kind of exploded and it still exists, right? So the geometry might vanish, right? If the geometry gets exploded and vanished, then it's not on fire. Otherwise, if it's still here, it might be on fire. So we're going to use the lookup table V16 to boff. With the V16 value, we're going to get out boff and see if it's on fire or not. Otherwise, if the material has not been killed, well, if we have not been killed, then we're not on fire, right? Okay, then down here in the render section, render collected binary tiles, within the geotile bit section, within this branch where the tile is visible, if we scroll way down here, beneath color by sad, we've added fire flicker. So if we are on fire, we're going to animate using the game ticker timer, and every other frame, we're going to increase the red color of the output fragment, and that's how we're going to get the flicker. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation, go to Ninja Playlist 8. You're on Kanji Playlist 8. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money.